In today's video, I'm going to show you how to back up your cPanel website step by step using Namecheap cPanel so you can protect your files, settings, and account data before making any major changes. This is one of the most important things you can do as a website owner because if something ever goes wrong, having a fresh backup can save you a lot of time, stress, and even money. If you find this tutorial helpful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy website and hosting tutorials. Alright, let's get started. First, log into your Namecheap cPanel account. Once you're inside the dashboard, take a moment to get familiar with the layout. Panel has a lot of different tools, but for this process, we're only focusing on the backup section. Look for the File section on the main cPanel page. This is where you'll find the tools related to your website files, storage, and backups. Now click on Backup. This will open the backup area where you can manage different backup options for your hosting account. If your goal is to save a complete copy of your website and account data, you'll want to choose the option for a full account backup. So go ahead and click Download a full account backup. This is the best option if you want a complete snapshot of everything tied to your cPanel account. Next, you'll be asked to enter your email address. Type in the email address where you want to receive the backup notification. This is important because cPanel will send you an alert once the backup process is finished. Make sure you enter an email address that you actually check so you don't miss the notification when the backup is ready. After that, click Generate Backup. At this point, cPanel will begin creating your full account backup in the background. Depending on the size of your website and hosting account, this can take some time. Smaller sites may finish fairly quickly, while larger sites with more files, databases, and email data may take longer, so be patient and allow the backup process to complete fully. While you wait, avoid closing the browser if you can, and just give the system time to finish the job. Once the full account backup is done, you'll usually receive a notification at the email address you entered earlier. That message confirms that the backup has been generated and is ready to download. Now return to the backup page in cPanel. Look for the section labeled Backups Available for Download. This is where cPanel stores the completed backup files that you can access manually. You should see your newly created backup listed there once it's ready. When you find the backup file, click on it to download it to your computer. Depending on your browser settings, the file may begin downloading right away, or you may be asked where you want to save it. Choose a secure location on your computer or external drive so you can easily find it later if you ever need to restore your website. And that's it. You've successfully backed up your cPanel website using Namecheap. This is a simple but powerful habit that every website owner should follow regularly, especially before updates, plugin changes, migrations, or any major edits to your site. If this video helped you out, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tutorials just like this one. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.